How to use the Craft Express Elite Pro Tumbler Press. Start by plugging your machine in and turning it on using the button on the side. Click the Set button and then the up and down arrows to set your temperature. We are setting our press to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Press Set again to set your time. We are setting our press to 60 seconds. Press Set one last time to lock in your settings. Wrap and adhere your transfer around your blank substrate using heat tape. Place your wrapped product in the heating element and use the handle to close it. After 60 seconds, open your heat press, rotate your tumbler, and close it again for another 60 seconds. Once completed, quickly remove your transfer sheet and reveal your finished product.